Hey guys, quick video update on the greenhouse. I did get it stained. I've poured me a concrete path just through the center of it. I'm kind of waiting for it to dry where I can get it finished off. Stain turned out okay. I actually hired a guy to spray it. I guess he thought it was going to be an easier job because halfway through the job he just quit. Said it was taking too long, so I ended up rolling the rest of it, and it took me forever. So you can see where he sprayed on this side is kind of darker than really I wanted. You can kind of tell if you look close at the beams up top where I rolled. Probably, I don't know if you can tell in the sun, but it's a little bit lighter, which is fine. I mean, it's not a big deal. Once I get the roofing and everything on, I think it's gonna be fine. It's mainly for protection of the non-treated wood and just cosmetic. I wanted it, the lumber didn't really match well. So I poured me a concrete pad through the center. This makes it easier on me to roll my big palms in the winter time. Other than that, that's kind of where we are. I've got my purlin started on not my purlins, my closure strips. I've got them started on this side. I've got the other side pretty much done. I've got another video on how to start those and get them squared and lined up good enough to fit. The Sun Tough roofing. Couldn't find a lot of videos on how to kind of get that, make sure everything's squared. Didn't want to put them on, get all the way to the other end, and then the roofing's not fitting like it should. So I just pulled a string, and I made another small video. I hadn't posted yet, but I'm going to. So anyway, I just wanted to give an update on the stain. This is what I did, the base. You know, if you watched my base video, the base was obviously higher than the ground on this side. So I just went in with some fiberglass sheeting I had and screwed it, and I'll leave that because when I put my metal on the bottom for the bottom row, that's going to be covered and help reinforce where I've got the gravel kind of packed on the inside. And that's kind of how the beam looks now. If you saw the first video, and of course I hadn't finished getting the gravel, but I'll have it packed under there pretty tight. So I think that's going to work out nicely. Anyway, I'll try to get the roofing on. I'll get a video or two of that. I'm using Sun Tough roofing. Anyway, if anybody has any suggestions, I'm always open.